Lucky month for a wedding is Feb.
Oh, that's brutal.
Go, please! Yes! That was our last bet!
What's that? Oh my goodness.
Please, we need something massive here. Please! I see a 200. I see a 490! 490! Oh, if it's 490, I'll dead set squirt out my bum.
Was that real?
Please. Oh, that looks heavy. That looks freaking heavy. The rod's about to snap. Be big. It looks tiny.
No, it's not big.
Oh.
It's not freaking big. It's a 10x.
It's not big
It's
enough.
gonna be 13x.
Okay. Let's go. We're rich.
We'll take that.
We're rich. We're rich.